The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has some big shoes to fill if it's to follow on from the impressive Galaxy Z Fold 3. But there's room for improvement, with the foldable phone's formula still not yet perfected. While a trickle of rumors is now starting to flow steadily for the Z Fold 4, there's still quite a bit we don't know. So we have collected all the leaks and rumors we have heard so far, and we have weighed in with our thoughts on what the Z Fold 4 needs to improve on if Samsung wants to continue to hold on to the best foldable phones crown with its next generation. Samsung will host a Galaxy Unpacked event on August 10, which is this coming Wednesday. The online-only event will start streaming at 9 a.m. ET or 6 a.m. PT. We have got a guide on how to watch the Samsung Unpacked live stream. We're pretty sure the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will debut at that time. In addition to the Fold, we are expecting to see Galaxy Z Flip 4, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2 at this event. We may see the new foldable debut with a different name, though one source is claiming the phone will be known as the Galaxy Fold 4, with the Z being removed due to its unfortunate concussions with the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Samsung already did this with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 in certain countries, so it wouldn't surprise us to see it unify the name of its new foldable around the world. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 from 2020 launched at $1,200, which might suggest that after falling by $200 in 1 year, we may see a $400 drop over 2 years to $1,600 for the Z Fold 4. That would still be much more expensive than even the most fully spaced phablet style phone. But as the gap shrinks, more and more phone buyers will be tempted to go for a foldable. One Galaxy Z Fold 4 pricing possibility cited by both Korean leaker UX1122 on Korean site Naver and Roseyoung claims that the phone will be getting cheaper. Given that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 debuted at $1,800, that would be quite welcome news. However, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 could have a cheaper entry-level price, as Evenblast claims the company could offer a model with 128GB of onboard storage. Cutting the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 should certainly be a priority if Samsung wants the phone to be a more mainstream device, we think. Adding 128GB alongside the 256GB and 512GB storage models that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 offered would give Samsung the option of lowering the starting price of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and that could even pave the way for a more affordable foldable phones. Just take the term affordable with a pinch of salt, as we don't expect even a lower spec phone for under $1,000. Though a European retailer has leaked the Galaxy Z Fold 4 could get a small price hike, the Fold 4 will reportedly start at €1,864 for a model with 256GB storage, which is an increase of around $65 on the equivalent model of last year's flagship. Again, this leak should be taken with a pinch of salt, as it's just one retailer and prices can vary from place to place for all kinds of reasons, including individual markup and miscommunication. We have also heard from a Korean source that the price may not be rising or falling, but just staying the same, at least in one. Sure, we'd like a cheaper Z Fold 4 model, but we will take the same price over a higher one any day. For what it's worth, you can now reserve your place to pre-order whatever phone Samsung announces on August 10 by going to Samsung.com. You can get up to a $200 credit if you are planning on bundling your phone purchase with a Galaxy Watch and earbuds. If you are just getting the phone, Samsung is offering a $100 credit to be used on select products at its online store. If those rumors didn't satisfy your appetite for Z44 material, we also have a modest wish list for the new foldable. While it looks like the basic design of the Galaxy Z44 isn't changing, Samsung could be a lot worse than copying this enticing looking concept titled the Galaxy Flex Note, based on a patent filed by Samsung and brought to life by Technizo Concept and Let's Go Digital. We particularly like how this design uses a single display and features room for an S Pen stylus, which would mark the Z Fold series as the successor to the now defunct Galaxy Note series. Some of the features we have seen on other Samsung phones and more tipped for future ones may also come to the Z Fold 4. For example, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 Bespoke Edition with its multiple color combinations would fit right in with the Z Fold 4, although with a slightly different kind of customization, since one side of the folded phone is still all screen. To summarize, here's what we'd like to see in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Despite costing so much, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 has the same set of cameras as the Galaxy Z Fold 2 from the year before, albeit with the internal selfie camera swapped out a under-display camera. It would ideal if Samsung offered better cameras overall on the Z Fold 4. Photography isn't going to be focused for Samsung's foldable like it is for its Galaxy S phones, but larger and higher resolution sensors would still be a welcome addition. A more powerful space zoom would also be nice. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 introduced the S Pen stylus to Samsung's foldables, so it would make sense for the company to build on this with the next gen model. Hopefully the company will be able to make the stylus fit within the Galaxy Z Fold 4's body like the concept design above, rather than requiring you to score the pen separately or in specially designed cases again. Unfortunately, based on the rumors that have emerged since we first published this report, it sounds like won't be happening.